Let's learn to make a basic domino set in just 5 minutes. But first of all, let us understand the basic mouse controls. When you hover the mouse by right-click, the space will hover on an axial position. You can move it in X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. The left mouse click is used to select or unselect any object available in frame. Move your mouse while keeping your scroll click, the scene will move in plane axis. Now let's look at the right side. Here you will find many different elementary geometric shapes. You can use these to create any item. It's time to make a domino. For this I will take a cube. Click on one of the corner dot. Now you can alter the dimensions of the cube. I'm choosing 2 mm thickness, 15 mm length, and 25 mm height. This is how my domino looks like. Let's reposition it to one corner to get space for more dominoes. As you can see, our domino is placed properly. Now we need to put an object which will trigger the fall of dominoes. I will choose a wedge which will act as a slide for our object. Let's align these items. For this, select these items and click on the align icon. Click on any of these dark circle to align accordingly. Now it's time to make identical dominoes. Click on the first domino, use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to create a copy. These margins are really helpful while aligning the items. You can also create copies of these dominoes by pressing Alt key and dragging the items in the margins. Now it's time to learn to make a curve with dominoes. I'm making a U-curve with dominoes. For this, imagine the curve you want to make. Start rotating the dominoes to a certain angle. I'm taking 25 degrees. Each domino will be tilted to 25 degrees to previous domino until my curve is made. Please make sure you are placing the dominoes at appropriate distance so that when the first fall it can impact the next one. My curve is done. Now I just to add more dominoes to the queue. For this I'll just copy this domino queue using Alt and drag. A little request, please like and share the video and help me grow my channel. I'll be introducing to many such tutorials. This will help the channel to spread across the STEM community. Finally, it's time add the trigger object. Take a sphere, now change the dimensions. I'm taking 15 mm for length, breadth, and height. I know, the sphere is measured in diameter, can't do anything about it. I'll increase the steps to smoothen the ball's surface. Now align the ball and the wedge. I'll keep the ball at a certain height to get some momentum. It's time to simulate our domino setup. Before simulating, shout out to HL ModTech for such great videos on Tinkercad 3D designing. Now let's check. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to World of Tinkerers.